We're going to run into a barrier. Not just a mental barrier, but a physical one. So all we're going to add in is a lead barrier that we have to clear. We'll keep it simple. Pak da. The open hand slap, and da is a hit of some kind. So it will continue through and you'll finish the combo. It happens, I'm going to borrow you, John, as we square it off and he throws the PIA. He starts the entry. And I don't read it and I freeze and I throw something up in the way. He's going to clear it. Pak da, boom, cross it, cross. I'll back out and I'll give him the kick. Back him up, back him up, back him up. He does the low high. What? Boom. He runs into the barrier. Pak da, cross, hook, cross to the kick. Back him up, back him up. He goes high, low, high. 1, 2, whoop. He's got to clear the barrier. Boom, cross, hook, cross, two. Okay. The tricky one. He goes to throw the cross. I go, whoop. He's still got to clear it. I'll call that, sometimes you'll hear it called an unattached pak da. Okay. This is an attached pak da. He clears it because there's an attachment with the bridge arm. Sometimes it's not there. He just pak das. Boom, boom. Jab, boom. He runs into the barrier. Boom. Cross, cross, boom. He goes low, high. Boom. High, low, high. He fakes the cross. Sometimes you'll shoot the high barrier, there's the kick. And by the time I land, I'm clearing the barrier out of the way. I want to get to where my movement's uninterrupted all the way through. I just deal with what's presented. Does that make sense?
Sir.
Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Low, high, boom, boom. Yeah, that's what it is. Take the cross, boom, boom. Back. I got too excited. High.